Hello. Today we are going to talk about the past simple. So I will explain how to do the past simple and we will have some short exercises. First of all, we will have a look at some vocabulary. We've got some different words. So, eat pizza, watch TV, play football, go shopping, go to the cinema, do yoga. So these words we're going to change to past simple. So if you look at the slide, we have now, so this will be now, and then we have past. So if something is in the past, and we have this here, she did yoga yesterday. So when we make the past, we will add ed for a regular verb, and we use for completed actions in the past, something that has finished in the past. So something we did once in the past, or something we did many times in the past, but it has finished. We often use words to say when we did them. So, yesterday, last week, or one day ago, 2 years ago. We use ago also to say when we did them. So, let's have a look at some examples. So, if we have a regular verb, we will just add ed to the end. So walk changes to walked. If it is an irregular verb, you have to learn how they change. There is not a simple rule to use, but for example, here go changes to went. So here you need to remember the verbs. Let's have a look at some examples of regular verbs. So walk to walked, talk to talked, play to played. So here you've just got the ed on the end. If it ends in an e, you can just add a d, like smile to smiled. Let's have a look at some irregular verbs. So go to went, eat to ate, see to saw. So these ones, if you notice, you just have to try to remember how they change, or you can look up an irregular verb list, which can be helpful. Okay, so how do we make a negative sentence for past simple? So we use did not, so didn't, plus the base verb. So here, I did not, I didn't go to the party yesterday. So go is the verb. So if positive, I went to the party. A negative, we have didn't go. So the verb doesn't change. And for the irregular verbs, this is the same. So she didn't eat breakfast last week. If it is a positive sentence, she ate breakfast last week. So always with the negative sentence, it is didn't plus the verb, the base verb, which doesn't change. Okay, and the next we will have a look at questions. So we use did before the subject for the question. So did you go to the park? And the verb doesn't change. The verb is the base verb. So did you go to the park? The answer will be maybe yes, yes, I did. I went to the park yesterday. And for the irregular verb, it's the same. We have did. So did he? We've changed the subject. Did he see the movie last night? And the see doesn't change, but the answer, so we could have yes, he did. He saw the movie last night. Or, no, he didn't. He didn't see the movie last night. Okay, so have a go at converting the following to past simple. How do you change the sentence? Okay, so we've got I play soccer, she eats an apple, they go to the store. How do you change these? So remember, you need to change the verb. Change the verb. Check, is it a regular verb or is it an irregular verb? So, okay, let's have a look at the slides. So 3, 2, 1. This is how we will change them. So I played soccer. She ate an apple. They went to the store. So the first one is a regular verb. So we have ed, and then we have two irregular verbs. Okay, so to practice and to finish, please write 3 sentences about what you did yesterday using the past simple tense. Please put these in the chat and I will have a look and check them for you. So please do that, and please like the video and subscribe if you like if this is helpful for you. And just to summarize, so past simple is for actions in the past that we have completed, they have finished. And then regular verbs, we have ed. Irregular verbs, they are unique. You have to remember they change. You can't just add ed, you have to remember them. So, and please practice this to master it so that you can do this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.